Well, here's a first for me, man. Construction action at night. Yeah, man. Now, I'm not in the construction industry, so I don't know what this one does here. Some kind of a pump, maybe, you know? I heard him going bang, bang, bang. It's like some kind of a digger or something. Yeah. Cool. Well lit too. Yeah. I love this camera at night. It's amazing. I was hoping they had something here with a Detroit, but you know. Is it a drill? Oh, it is a drill. That's the biggest drill I ever seen. Wow. Right on. Cool. I guarantee you they got something in here with a Detroit in it though. Detroit diesel, 8V, 12V. This one sounds like it does though. Maybe not, I don't know. What's this anyway? It's a... Man, that's huge. Massive. What does it say? Damn it, I'm visually impaired. I don't know what the hell make that is. That's cool stuff though. Yeah. Dig it up. Right on. Well, you know it's important when you're working at night on a Saturday night, you know? Yeah. Cool. Reminds me of that song, you know, digging a hole, da-na-na-na-na-na, digging a hole, right here by the Bell Center where the Canadians play hockey. Yeah. Ciao for now.